Welcome. Are you familiar with the case currently before the court?
Yes, thoroughly. Which one is the merchant and which one is the Jew?
Antonio and Shylock, both of you come forward.
Is your name Shylock?
Shylock is my name.
Your case is most unusual, though the Venetian law can't stop you from proceeding. He has a claim on you, merchant. Is it correct?
Yes, so he says.
Do you acknowledge the bond?
Yes, I do.
Then the Jew must show you mercy.
On what compulsion must I? Tell me that.
The quality of mercy is not strained. It drops as a gentle rain from heaven upon the place beneath. It is twice blessed. It blesses him that gives and him that takes. It is mightiest in the mightiest. It becomes the throne monarch better than his crown. His scepter shows the force of temporal power, the attribute to awe and majesty, wherein thus sit the dread and fear of kings. But mercy is above the scepter's sway. It is enthroned in the hearts of kings. It is an attribute to God himself. An earthly power doth then show like his God when mercy sees injustice. Therefore, Jew, though justice be thy play, consider this, that in the course of justice none of us should see salvation. We do pray for mercy, and that same prayer doth teach us all to render the deeds of mercy. I spoke thus much to mitigate the justice of thy play, which if you follow, the strict court of Venice must need give sentence against the merchant here.
I take all responsibility of my decisions. I want the law, the penalty, and the fulfillment of my bond.
Can't he pay back the money?
Yes, I am offering to pay it back right this moment, even twice the sum. If that's not enough, I will sign a bond to pay 10 times that much. And I will give you my hands, my head, and my heart as security. If that's not enough, then you are just evil and malicious. I beg you, just this once, use your authority to bend the law. Do a great right by doing a little wrong. Don't let this devil have his way.
It must not be. There's no power in Venice that can change an established decree. The change will be recorded as a precedent and many a bad legal decisions will result.
A Daniel has come to judgment. Yes, a Daniel. Oh, wise young judge, I honor you.
I pray you, let me look upon